and down. There's so many ways.
Hello? Aisha. Hey, baby. Hello, 772. Where are you? Bimole? I'm coming on. I'm just trying to find somebody that can take me. Wait. What is your just start back? Wait. Let's see. No, I think I don't have my. I have hammered. Let me pretend as if I'm talking to you, Huh? Okay. Let me call you back.
Baby, how are you doing?
Excuse me?
I said, how are you doing? What is your name?
Excuse me?
English. I said, what is your name?
I'm sorry, I don't understand you.
Oh, this is what I am saying. I am Chef George. Ojikalu, Osina, what a poor by
Oh, she
of the whole Lama Winchibo line.
Are you cursing in your language?
No, I am not cursing you. This is not a curse. That is my title. Look at, I am chief. I have money. As I was driving, I say, who is this angel that God has now sent over here to come and...
Angel? You don't even know me.
Baby, I understand. I don't know you, but what I am trying to...
Excuse me, you have a funny accent. I don't even understand what you're talking about.
What?
Your accent is too funny. I can't do it.
What is that? I am saying I have a container on the sea. I will take care of you. That's all I want to do.
Did you just say you have money?
I have a lot of money. I am rich. Look at me. You see all this over here? This lace.
God,
you know what they call
deal
this?
With this bullshit.
Baby.
Oh, somebody get me out.
Try to understand. You can ask Iya Ikechi, ask Iya Bola, Iya George, Iya Kalu. They will tell you. They have been in my house for years.
Listen! Please. Okay, I have somewhere to be right now.
Yes.
Can you just cut the crap and that's your car, right?
Baby, this is what I am saying. I have a BlackBerry. I want you to put your number on top of my BlackBerry. So me, I can call you.
So what? You have a BlackBerry? We all have a BlackBerry.
You too, baby. Try to
call the police. Oh my God. Oh my God, you will not believe what is going on right now, Aisha.
Yeah.
Where am I, Aisha? I will call you right back, okay?
Baby.
Excuse me?
Yes, baby.
Did you just say Onyara?
Yes, I said you are an angel.
Oh, Yoshi.
It means you are beautiful, baby.
You said Chineke na monkey.
Baby, yeah.
I'm not going to strike you. God punish you. Me. You're an idiot. You're foolish. You're a foolish man. What's going on, my Nigerian people, my Yankee people, my Johnson people, my Canadian people? It's your man girl Mojy Show, aka First Lady, aka Iyolo of the Koni Badger. You already know what it is, and this is...
It's your boy Olu, aka Female Lecture, aka the most expensive one. We have everything you want.
Yes, but okay, let's just start off this week's show, right?
Yep.
This past weekend was crazy, wasn't it?
We just got back from the reunion.
Reunion in New York City. Okay, Olivia, it was your first reunion.
It was my first reunion. I really liked it. I was with everybody I wanted to be with. I was with T Money, Cat B. I got to see MI for the first time. It was everything I wanted to be. It was worth my money.
Alright, honestly, my third reunion, and I thought it was bullshit. Excuse my French, but it was garbage. Very, very, very disorganized. I'm sorry to the organizers, but I just thought it could have been better. And the performances, what did you think about the performance? Okay, let's start from the comedy show. Okay, what did you think about basketball?
Basketball was the funniest guy I ever saw in my life. Are you new?
Yes, it was hilarious. And what did you think about Jetty?
Jetty was alright. He was alright.
Alright, one thing I have to say about Jetty, same joke as last year.
Yeah.
Just a little bit different.
I was told.
But you got away with it. Alright, and this is to say rest in peace to Tonwoni. If you grew up in Nigeria, you watch Fuji House of Commotion. She's Iyamoji from Fuji House of Commotion. She passed away 2 days ago. May her soul continue to rest in peace. She's a very, very, very funny woman. I mean, I remember her line that she said, calling Ngozi Nwosu artificial yellow pawpaw. That was funny. But may her soul continue to rest in peace. And only they have something to tell you about the Nigerian
Yes.
super.
The super chicken, as we all know, are not banned anymore. The government took off the ban 2 days ago. How many days ago?
It was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. I don't know why. I don't know why they got the ban in the first place. The team just needs to go somewhere and fix themselves.
But yeah, so the ban has been raising. They're not banned anymore. So they're not banned for 2 years. The federal government was the one that put them on probation, but now they're free. They can go into any competition. But I just pray for Super Eagles made their soul. No, they didn't die yet. I'm sorry. Alright, so right. I mean, nothing is really. I mean, entertainment industry in Nigeria is very. It's stalling right now because all the artists are actually.
One thing. When MI was on the stage, right, and he asked the people, "Is this where ICEBERG is from?" What did they say? No. New York people, you are no good though.
So you're trying to tell me that New York City denied ICEBERG's
They
name?
denied them.
Ouch. But MI did not keep to his promise. He did not take off his pants. And I'm still vexed.
How you do?
Yes, he promised us to take off his pants and he didn't. But shout out to him, shout out to everybody. It's your girl Mojy Show. Always follow me on Twitter. Twitter/Mojy Show. Follow me.
Follow me too. I only have like 92
All we
followers.
need is more
I just follow us,
followers.
please.
Follow the fine boy.
Twitter.com/Mr. Olu, MISTER, and Olu.
Mr. Olu, follow him. And thank you for watching this week's show. It feels good to be back. And I promise you, next week's episode is going to be crazy.
When I'm done with you, you know I'll leave my bum.